If you're trying to sell AI right now, you're probably making it harder than it has to be. Your prospects don't care about AI. They care about one thing. Can you solve my problem and help me make money? In this video, I'm going to show you how I closed an $8,400 deal without saying the words AI one time and how you can do the same before the end of the week. A solar company came to me not too long ago, absolutely frustrated. They were like, Austin, we've had dozens of people trying to come to us and tell us that they can help us with AI, but none of it makes sense. Can you help us? Now, I could have started throwing words out like speed to lead, database reactivation, AI powered chat widget, and conversational bots, but I didn't. I didn't show them a single workflow. I didn't talk tech to them at all. Because here's the truth. When they called me, they didn't even know what their problem was. Instead, I treated the conversation as if I was a doctor and they were the patient. When you go to the doctor with knee pain, they don't just hand you a prescription without asking you questions. They say things like, where does it hurt? Is the pain constant? Or does it come and go? Did you twist it? Did you fall? Did you tweak it? Is it in the front? Is it in the back? And they diagnose the problem. The goal is to figure out what's wrong before giving you a prescription. I asked them the same kind of questions about their business, and what I found was absolutely eye-opening. And this is the one big thing I want you to take away from this video, okay? If you don't know what the pain is, you are not going to sell anything. Find the pain, and the pain becomes the sales pitch. That's exactly what happened here. I asked questions, I uncovered their real pain, and that's when I could prescribe the right system. I asked questions like, how are you currently getting leads? What systems do you have in place to follow up with those leads? How do you eliminate tire kickers? How do you make sure your call team isn't wasting time calling people that aren't going to answer their phone? Do you have systems that follow up if people don't show up to appointments? Do you have systems that follow up if people don't close? Do you have systems that follow up and ask for referrals from customers? Do you have systems in place to ask for reviews and get positive feedback? Do you have any system? And I asked all of these questions because I needed to find what the real problem was. Now, here's what I uncovered from asking those questions. I found out that they had spent thousands on advertising, got a whole bunch of leads, and knew and wished that more of them would have converted. They kept saying, we know there's more business in there, we just don't know how to squeeze it out. They were calling each lead 2, 3, 4 times, but the new leads were coming in and the older ones were just getting lost in the database. They didn't know which leads to chase, how to filter out the tire kickers, or how to bring back the people that were interested but just needed a little bit of time without wasting their call agents and their call team's time calling over and over and over again while there were new leads flooding in. So with asking those questions, I was able to identify the real problem, and the answer wasn't, you need AI. They needed some systems in place that were going to organize their database and fix the mess that was inside of their CRM. So you know what I recommended to them? You know what I prescribed to them? I said, you know what would work is I have a system that takes your older cold data and turns it into new appointments and new revenue, so your team doesn't have to go calling people that aren't ready now or aren't answering their phone. They're actually active because my system will find the people that are actually responding. I prescribed them a database reactivation campaign, and here were the results. In 10 days, they closed their first deal. We found over 90 plus people that said, yes, we're still interested. Please give us a call. We found 150 people that said, hey, we're interested, but not right now. Give us a call in the future. We found 286 people that said, we already have that service, so we don't need it anymore. Stop calling us. We found over 100 plus people that said, hey, you have the completely wrong number. So we were able to take their database and filter it between the people that were ready now, people that were going to be ready later, people that had already bought the service so they didn't need to be called anymore, people that were wrong numbers, so we just needed to get them out of the system. And we were able to take this database reactivation campaign and filter out their data so their call team knew exactly who to be calling first, exactly who to be calling later, and exactly who they should never be calling again, saving them hours and hours and hours, and then making them money right off the bat. And here's the thing, they still don't know and don't even care what AI tool, what system I was using. I could be doing doing this with homing pigeons and they don't care. They don't care. They just want the results. They want a system that's going to help solve their problem. You cannot give them that system unless you know their pain. The doctor doesn't know, oh, hey, you need a Band-Aid and some Tylenol, or you need an MRI. They can't tell the difference without asking a bunch of questions first and then being able to diagnose the problem and give them a solution. Now, here's the thing. I wasn't born a closer. Okay, I learned a 7-step cheat code that works whether you're selling high-ticket SaaS products, marketing services, coaching programs, even door-to-door, face-to-face sales. This cheat code has helped me close millions of dollars in face-to-face contracts, helped me close multiple 6 figures in sales, selling SaaS products and online marketing services, and gives me the ability to walk into any sales conversation as the authority in control from start to finish, because my 7-step process makes sure that I go into any situation as if I'm the doctor, as if I'm searching for the pain, and I follow a very simple process of connecting with them, finding out where they're at, asking a bunch of questions, showing them what it's going to be like once their solution is solved, showing them what my solution is, and then finding out if they're ready to get started today, and then handling any questions after that. I have a very, very step-by-step system that I use, and it works every time. And here's the best part, is following the system helps eliminate a bunch of objections before we even get to the end, so you're not having to just deal with objection. So here's the cool thing. Thursday the 14th, I'm doing a live deep dive into my 7-step cheat code. I'm going to show you exactly how I close high ticket deals, low ticket deals, without talking a bunch of tech, how you can use the same system to sell more of whatever it is you offer by being the doctor and asking questions to diagnose the problem and then offer a prescription. This is not going to be a fluff webinar where at the end I hit you with some hard pitch, or you're not actually going to get the good information. This is the exact training I give to my premium clients, and I'm updating it, and it's going to be ready for you to use. If you want in, comment on this video the word sales, or in the description there will be a link to register for it, or if you're inside of my free GHL school community, it'll be live there. So either get inside of the GHL Blueprint community, and Thursday at 14th be there. It's going to be 1 p.m. Eastern. Stop selling AI. Start selling solutions. Start selling systems. Find the problem, find the pain, and offer a prescription. I'll see you all Thursday.